We couldn't be in Atlanta without stopping at local food, the Chick Fil-A. But they were freshly out of bacon burgers, so we went for a spicy chicken sandwich and their world signature milkshakes, which it's great hearing the story of how the milkshake was started for Chick Fil-A. Not gonna tell you right now. You guys are gonna have to look that up on your own. And Sarah has a placemat for eating, so that way if she spills a drink, it does not go on her lap. Lamborghini. Oh, dude, we gotta pull in. Show some loose. Snaked ya. You guys thought we were stopping there, and instead, fuel first. So, we're gonna get you guys back. Something that's kind of cool here is that with the cars that they got, a lot of them can't actually show you guys. So we're gonna snake you because they're special order. And yeah, so just can't show you the really amazing, like, super high-end $3 million cars that they got in the showroom. It's beautiful. So what would you guys take? Silver, the matte black, or the yellow? What do you think my wife would take? What would you take, Sarah? Which one of these three?
Between the matte black and the yellow.
The matte black and the yellow. You guys heard it from her. And we might be able to get them to do an engine rev for us. So we'll ask really nicely. We'll see what happens. But here's another beauty coming right over here.
It's probably some kind of special stone. Don't have it.
Here we go, guys, with views on views on views. Oh, dude, these cars are just so amazing. They started one up and even just the idle, they weren't even going at it. It just boom. It was like,
yeah, we couldn't talk at that point. We were like, had to yell to talk.
Yeah, it was like totally forget talking. These 570s are pretty awesome. They might not compete with some of the ones inside, but they are pretty sweet.
We just have to put like $2 million worth of modifications on it, and it'll be just like the red one inside. Only $2 million.
Yeah, here's one that we Lotus more. Nah, you don't want the Lotuses.
Not
It's not the same.
really. Nope.
Sarah found a Lotus Evora. She liked the color of it, which happens to be actually the Lotus Cola. For those of you guys that know, again, we're in Atlanta, Georgia, and here's some new Lotuses. Lotus is kind of rare over here in the U.S., popular over in England, but yeah.
What's guy from? Sounds like he was from England here, so.
Correct. So someone is here right now taking delivery of a very nice, sweet car. That's just crazy, that background. It's crazy, all those cars. Beauties.
Oh wow, that has a purple tick to it.
You like that beautiful purple kicking in?
Yeah, how it's like, not right here, like it's ugly, but you're back here and it's all black, and then you just get this sliver of purple.
I don't know if they can get it with the sun. There we go. Now they can see the purple kicking in. The carbon exposed on it. The integrated brake lights, just to where you can't see them. That's amazing how they do that.
Yeah.
Sarah said she really loved this car right here because it's cobalt violet, the McLaren 570S Spider. And these things, they just sound sick when they start up. We're gonna see if we can get a code start startup for you guys. You wanna see if they'll do that for us?
Sure.
What do you think about the Lambo?
I'm sorry, everything's compared to that red one. After you see that, you could not think these were that cool.
Okay, so to put things in context, think a $3 million car versus about a $250,000 to maybe $2 million car. She's still loving the $3 million more. But they get some sweet rides here, don't they? Yeah. And that one is about to go back out to the person's house because the one we can't show you. Snaking you guys, snaking you totally. Can't show you the car, but it's beautiful. You gotta take our word for that.
Right now, I'm talking loud. It's awesome. That is crazy. Totally crazy.
Wow. Smells like rubber. Definitely.
Smells new.
Yeah.
Can you see over it?
Yes, I can.
There you go.
But the wheel is in my way.
The wheel is in your way.
Wow. You do everything. This?
Yeah. Pull that down. And then pull down.
Oh, wow.
And you can pull it towards you too.
You can pull the complete steering wheel towards you.
Yeah, I tried.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to break it.
I don't want to break it. I think you're sitting in them. You have that lowered still, Sarah.
Yeah.
This is sweet, man. This is cool. It's the inside. When you get in, initially it has the screen, and man, it's crazy. Wow, it's amazing. Let's go ahead and see if you guys. Stay back. Thanks. Okay, so right there, he couldn't do it because there's a police car right across the road. So yeah, that just wouldn't have worked out. But yeah, oh well. Hey, thank you guys. This was awesome. They're really friendly here. Great staff. Yeah. So if you're ever in the area, show up. Look at some of these awesome cars. They're beauties, man. They're beautiful. And now we get in our Corolla. Dude, they picked up 2 Lamborghinis. They picked up 2 Lamborghinis today. So one that was being worked on and a brand new Lambo was picked up today by the same guy. It's pretty sick.